company ASGE Metallbau was founded in 2002, and we specialised on smoke and fire protection doors, as well as on tubular frame doors with glazing. We build round about 1,000 tubular frame doors per year with different profile manufacturers such as Schuko and Janssen in steel area, Hugh in the aluminium area. We've been looking for a way to digitalise and found a solution with the help of Logikal. We first installed the software to calculate the costing and also the work preparation with Logikal as the first solution, and later we decided to install Logikal MES. So that we can go completely paperless in our manufacturing processes. The most important thing why we installed MES was the CE marking documentation. The workshop production control is also a topic what really made us think about how we can make that process also easier. Here in the office we work in Logikal and make the element input, which can be entered after measurement from the construction site, which will be then entered and uploaded by the MES in the workshop to the machines, which includes the sawing and machining centre. After the transfer to the MES, you can see in the wallboard exactly how far the orders processes are, or if they are even completed. Here the cutting takes place. Since I'm using the new data from the office, I can go to the cutting machine and get started. In this area, the data comes from the saw over to the next terminal, and here I can add the barcode that was produced from the saw, scan it in, and pass on to the next barcode to the machine. In this case, the machine can read the barcodes and scan the profile so that the profile can go further into the assembly. The next step takes place at this terminal. In this case, another order is currently being completed. I can use this terminal to see all the accessories I need for the job. I can pick out everything in detail, what I need as accessories, how much, and also where it is needed. Here in the MES, we also have access to other manufacturers' online catalogues, which we can access at any time. We were thinking about what we can improve for our employees, from which we don't have that many of, and we can't find them. How can we make the work easier? So that's why we've invested a lot of money in the last years in machines and also in software and hardware, and I think that we are on the right way to achieve a certain relief that makes work easier on the one hand. And on the other hand, there are also the processes, especially in the fire protection sector, regarding the CE marking, has become more difficult and demanding, so that we normally should create one position who is responsible only for documentation. And with Logikal MES, we have a tool that makes this a little bit easier for us. The work steps have become simpler in this sense. I don't always have to go from A to B like I used to. Walking around looking for all my information, I get everything I need at the terminals without searching. I get my necessary information automatically at assembly or manufacturing station. Before MES, that was just more searching than working.